Package includes 1 USB 2.07 port hub, 1 5V, 4A power adapter, 1 USB 2.0 cable, 3 feet, 1 owner's manual. Installs with plug-and-play ease. Complies with USB specification version 2.0. Backward compatible with USB 1.1. Check your device loading current when used for charging, e.g. iPads, tablets, or for high-power devices, e.g. hard drive. Insufficient current may lead to slow charging or other failure. Data transfer speeds of up to 480 megabits per second. Refer to the user manual below before use. Max output per port is 500 mA for 5 regular USB ports, 1.5A for 2 USB fast charging ports. Max ouput is 20 W, 5V, 4A, across all 7 ports. For maximum output, apply power adapter. Top reviews from the United States. Thus far it has been a wonderful 7-port USB 2.0 hub. The reports of poorly shaped pins can be forgotten, or at least discounted on the specific model hub I bought. I've looked over each port several times and the pins don't appear to be misshapen at all. But then again, I could be editing this review months from now with an update that the pins bent and are now shorting out, although that would likely be due more to user error than product defectiveness. This hub has its own power supply, which means that it can provide fast charging to things like cell phones and some other USB devices when they are attached to the 2 fast charge ports on the side of the port. These 2 ports are isolated and have a little lightning bolt above them and labeled fast so that you know they are the fast charge ports.